Hi guys, today we are together with you will make the most basic equipment, namely, we will make the world's simplest radio receiver and the world's simplest radio transmitter. This will be a good example, or as we call it, an experiment for the younger generation. So let's get started. And first I will tell you what we need for this. To make a radio transmitter, we need some kind of wooden sole. I will use a wooden block like this. Well, we also need copper wire. We'll clean it up later. And a lighter with piezoelectric element. We measure out 30 centimeters of wire, bite it off, and clean it. Next, we bite it off in the middle and bend the edges as follows. We drill 2 holes in each of the bars. We take apart the lighter and remove the piezoelectric element. Now we drill holes in the wooden block with the diameter of the lower part of the piezoelectric element. We solder a small piece of wire to the bottom of the piezoelectric element and then to the copper wire. The remaining contact of the piezoelectric element is soldered to the second copper wire. Gently bring the copper wires together until a spark flies through. We already have the radio transmitter ready. Let's make a radio receiver. It is a similar antenna on a wooden sole. Only a lead is soldered between the wire contacts. In this case, the polarity of the lead doesn't matter. Now let's move on to a little testing. When you press the piezoelectric element, the transmitter creates a small discharge, which actually generates a weak radio wave on the antenna. But if you place the device opposite each other at a distance of up to 15 centimeters, then the receiver will of course react to it. This will be accompanied by this short-term lightening of the LED. Of course, this is a win as we were able to demonstrate how a radio receiver and transmitter works. But still, in order to increase the sensitivity of the receiver, you can use transistor 2N3904. We solder its collector to the wire from the antenna and the conductor from the battery. We solder the second half of the antenna to the base and the emitter through the LED to the remaining wire from the battery. Here, of course, you cannot argue with such a transistor amplifier. Our radio receiver will be able to react already at a distance of up to half a meter from the transmitter. Well, today's video has come to the end. Be sure to rate it and write comments as it helps in promoting the video. Have a nice day, thanks for watching, bye-bye.